Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs on Mac. If you've come to Mac from a PC and you're used to using the add remove programs, you'll notice that we don't really have anything like that on the Mac. So the easiest way to uninstall a program on the Mac is to simply open up your Finder. So if you've got the dock set up, it's usually by there on default. There's the Finder right there. Another way to get to the Finder is simply go to the top of the screen, and on the top right hand corner we've got this little magnifying glass. This is called the Spotlight search, and you can type Finder, simply hit enter, and then it will open up the Finder. We can access the applications that you have installed on your Mac simply from this Finder window. I've got the applications under Favorites. If you cannot see this under Favorites, what you need to do while you have the Finder window open is go to the top menu, and under the Finder menu you can go to Preferences. That will bring up this little menu here where we have General, Tags, Sidebar and Advanced. We want to go to Sidebar and make sure under the Favorites we have Applications ticked. You'll see there, this is the area in Finder that we call the Sidebar, and then you can access the applications from there. To uninstall one of those applications, let me find one that I want to uninstall. I don't really use OneCast anymore. We are simply going to click on that and hold down the mouse button and drag it down into the trash or the bin. Let go, and there we go. That application is now uninstalled. That is the simple way to uninstall applications on the Mac. The quicker way that I like to do it, rather than going through all those other steps, is to simply have the Macintosh hard drive as an icon on my desktop. To do that, we need to go into Finder again. So I'm going to use the Spotlight search to open Finder. We need to go up to the top left-hand corner and go Finder Preferences. This time, once we have this preference window open, I want to go over to General. From General, I'm going to make sure there is a tick next to hard disks. I always have external disks and hard disks show up on my desktop. That means the quick way now is I can just double click on that to open up the Finder, and you'll see that by default we can access the Users, System, Library and Applications. I then go from here and just drag one of these into the bin, and then it's uninstalled. It really is that simple. The only time this gets a little bit complicated is if there's a program that has other programs attached to it. Say it was Microsoft and it had Excel and Word and like Office. Sometimes the application comes with its own uninstaller, so that's something to be aware of. So before uninstalling, say, Microsoft Office one at a time, make sure it doesn't come with an uninstaller. I've got a program here called Melodyne, and you'll notice that instead of an icon, it's actually got a folder. That's usually where you'll find the special uninstaller, because there might be other files it needs to remove that is a little bit more complicated than just removing the app from the applications folder. So I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.